Congratulations on making the decision to improve the condition of your hair. We are giving you a complimentary sachet of Genhair's Herbal Hair Mask. Choose between the Herbal Hair Mask to improve on the condition of your scalp, or the Herbal Hair Coloring, which is used to replace the chemical dyes that damages your scalp. This is only for a limited time. Balding hair, thinning hair, genetic hair loss, loss of confidence? I know. We have created a series of videos to spread medicinal herbs for the treatment of hair loss to the world. This was a condition of my hair in May 2019. After just 4 months, this shot was taken. To hear more about my story, click the video below. You can find out more about us on our Genhair website, personal YouTube channel, our entire history in the aesthetics field on our About Us page, and our aesthetics website called Beauty Recipe. All links will be placed below. Now the instructions to redeem your free gift. Fill in your name and your email in the spaces below. An email will be sent to you with instructions on redeeming this hair mask. It will take you less than 1 minute, probably 30 seconds. But you have to pay the shipping, okay? Save money and time using our herbal growth treatment in the comfort of your own home. We have already made hair loss treatments super affordable and convenient the best we can. Lastly, you can chat with us. Click on the left-hand upper corner of this page. Jesse and myself are certified trichologists. In short, we are certified in the study of hair and scalp. If you're about to commit to some expensive scalp treatment, please use our free samples first. It might just save you guys a lot of money. Do not make the same mistakes as I did. 12 years ago, I dished out $10,000 on treatments as I was desperate.